Hi everyone and welcome back to Leighton Vans. Now we have got the second Amarok out of our workshop that's just come out. It's gone through detailing, through final prep, sat here ready to go. Now this is quite a sought after model. This is an Amarok style, but it's the V6 with the 10-speed auto, which are rather rare at the minute. It's quite hard to find a V6. So what have we done to it as Leighton? Well, we've blacked everything out. So we've wrapped the rear bumper. So normally this section on the rear bumper is chrome. The bottom of the steps, which are normally chrome, they've been wrapped black as well. We've also wrapped the grille strips in black to match the rest of the truck. And we've gone to the extent of painting the front nudge plate at the front of the truck on the lower half of the bumper. We wouldn't get the right finish with a wrap on that, so that has been taken off and repainted. We've also taken the roll bar off and we've powder coated that in black, so you've got no worries on wear or chipping of paint, etc., because powder coating is really hard wearing. What else have we done to it? We've put a wide arch kit on there, which we have actually colour coded as well. So some people will put just black arches on there. We think it looks a little bit classier with the colour coded on there. We've also put a manual roller shutter because I'm sure you've all seen in the forums, the electric ones do keep failing, so we're sticking with the manual roller shutters. We've also put a set of the 20-inch fuel covert wheels on there with a 285/50 all-terrain tyre. That's a Radar Renegade RT Plus tyre, which I've spent a lot of time with on personal vehicles myself, and for the money for an AT tyre, they are absolutely bob on. We've also got the Predator front nudge bar on there, which just makes that front end look super aggressive, twinned with the laser light integration kit for the grille. They're not just the standard laser lights either, they're the laser light elites, so they're slightly more powerful than the standard laser integration kit on the front of the trucks. That just adds to the front end and just beefs it up, makes it look super aggressive. But the colour coded arches and the black wrapping, the black powder coating keeps it nice and classy. Now we've also tinted the rear lights as well, just a nice little feature on there which ties in with the black on the rest of the truck. Inside it is standard at the minute, but like I say, it's a decent spec style truck. So you've got the big nav, the Apple CarPlay, heated seats, lane assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot detection in your mirrors. We can take the bars and the canopy off and put a proper truckman canopy on if need be. We've got plenty of options for that, so if you want to get in touch and find out, just give us a shout. But yeah, this truck is sat ready to go. It's been through final prep. If you want to come down and have a look at it or come and have a drive, please feel free, get in touch with the sales office or drop us a message on social media to arrange an appointment.